Okay, listen ma. Okay, how will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? How will you describe the position of table? Please observe ma. Please observe the table lamp on your study table to another person. Okay, are you understood in the question ma? This is a table, this is a lamp. How to manage this ma? How to arrange the lamp? What form ma? 2D form or 3D form? Okay, the above figure is a 3D shows a study table. Shows means చూడనికి ఎలా ఉంది 3D plan. 3D అంటే ఏంది మా? It contain the length, breadth and height. It contain length and breadth and height ma. Please observe ma. The above figure is 3D shown a study table on which a study lamp is placed. Now let us consider the top surface on the table which becomes 2D rectangle. This is a 3D diagram. You convert it to 2D diagram, 2D rectangle. So rectangle square, it contains only length and breadth. That type of diagrams are called 2D diagrams. Length, breadth and height also containing the diagram is called 3D diagram. That is the difference. I observe in the table 2D diagram. This is lamp. This is a lamp. Length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. The table length is 20 centimeter, breadth is 30 centimeter. So from the figure above, consider the lamp on the table as a point. Consider the table as a 2D plan. What is observe ma? I have taken lamp on the table as a point. This is a point. Lamp is the point. Consider the table as a 2D plane. Okay na? Next one. The table has a shorter side 20 centimeter and longer side 30 centimeter. Okay, I have considered the shorter side 20 centimeter. Okay na? Longer side is 30 centimeter. This is a table ma. Are you observe ma? Okay, shorter side is called length. Longer side is called breadth. So longer side is taking x-axis. Shorter side is taking y-axis. Let us measure the distance of the lamp from your shorter side and the longer side. Let us assume distance of the lamp from the shorter side is 5 centimeter. Distance of the lamp from the longer side is 5 centimeter. Please observe ma. Observe. So I have taken the small length. This is the small length ma. This is the small length. Lamp is there and shortest side 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter square is formed. Therefore we can conclude the position of the lamp on the table can be described with respect to the order of the axis 5, 15. So lamp is location. What location ma? Lamp is location. This is a lamp. Location is the 2 x-axis consider 5 and y-axis is considered 15. This is the lamp position on the graph. Okay na? Write down ma. Street plan. What is the plan? A city has 2 main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. A city has 2 main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These 2 roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. Please observe the direction. North-south direction, east-west direction. All the other streets of the city run parallel to the roads are 200 meters apart. There are 5 streets in each direction. Using 1 centimeter equal to 200 meters, draw a model of the city on your notebook. Represent the roads or city by single lines. There are many cross streets in your model. A particular cross city is made by 2 streets. one running in the north-south direction and another in the east-west direction. Each cross city street is referred to in the following manner. If the second street running in the north-south direction and fifth in the east-west direction meet at some crossing, then we'll call this cross street 2, 5 using the convention. Find how many cross street can be referred as 4, 3. How many cross street can be referred as 3, 4. This is the application problem. Please observe the question once again. Okay. Please observe the question once again. Once again observe ma. A city has two main roads which is cross each other center of the city. Are you observe ma? Please observe. A city has two crossroads. This is a road. This is a road ma. Actually, this is a road. Okay. This is the street one. This is the street one. This crossroad. Okay na. Please observe crossroads. These two roads as the north-south direction and east-west direction. So east-west direction and north-south direction. East-west direction is called x-axis. North-south direction is called y-axis. So let us draw two perpendicular lines as two main roads. Two main roads means x-axis and y-axis are two main roads. Cross each other at the center. So two roads are intersect at center, that is origin point. Let us mark the north-south. North-south is called y-axis. North-south is called y-axis. And east-west is called x-axis. As given in the question, let us take the scale. 1 centimeter equal to 100 meter. So 1 centimeter will take 0. This is called the 0. Distance is given. This is a 0. Each one distance 200 meters, 400, 600, 800, 1000. But it is take only 1 meter. So 200 will take 1, 400 take 2, 600 take 3, 800 take 4, 1000 will take 5. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But 1 centimeter equal to 200 meters. 1 centimeter equal to 200 meters. This is 1 centimeter equal to 200 meters. Draw the fry sheets that are parallel to both main roads which are intersect to get the given below figure. Street the plan as shown in the figure. Please observe ma. There is only one cross street which can be referred as 4, 3. This is the x is 4 units. 4, 3 means x-axis is 4 and y-axis is 3. Intersect at point 4, 3. Next 3, 4. There is only one cross street which can be referred as 3, 4. Please observe ma. X-axis 3 and y-axis 4. And also 2, 5. Please observe the question. All the other street of the city run parallel to roads 200 meter apart. So each distance how much? 200 meters. Okay na? 200 meters. There are 5 streets in each direction. Oh, how many streets ma? Each direction. So east west side is street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4, street 5. And also east west. And also north west side also street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4, street 5. Okay. Using 1 centimeter equal 200 meters. So 0 to 1 distance 200 meter, 1 to 2 distance 200 meter, 2 to 3 distance 200 meter, 3 to 4 distance 205. Same as usual y-axis also. Okay, next draw a model of the city on your notebook. This is a model of the city ma. This is diagram. Represent the roads and street by single lines. This is the single line. Street 1 is the single line. Street 2 is the single line. Street 3, street 4, street 5. Also y-axis also street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4, street 5. Okay. There are many cross street in your model. A particular cross street made by two street, one running in the north-south direction and another is east-west direction. Each cross street is referred in the following manner, and second street is running in the north-south direction. North-south. Second street what ma? Second street. This is considered north-south direction. Second street is north-south direction, and also next line fifth in the east-west. Fifth in the east-west direction. What is the formula form? Second street and fifth street is form of 2, 5 point. Okay. Meet in at some crossing. Then we'll call cross the street 2, 5 using the conversion. How many cross street can be referred as 4, 3? This is the 4, 3. This is the 3, 4. This is the solution. Okay na? Write down. Next exercise. Next. Exercise 3.2. The first question. Write the answer of write the answer of each of the following questions. Each of the following questions. Each one. Each of the following questions. First question: what is name of origin? What is the name of horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means graph. So I will draw the graph. This is the vertical line. This is the horizontal line. Okay. What is the position of points? This is the 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. So this is called positive x-axis. This is called positive x-axis. This is called negative x-axis. The position is negative x-axis. So this is called positive y-axis. This is the y-axis. Positive y-axis. This is called negative y-axis. negative x-axis. What represent ma? The first one, the horizontal line is the horizontal line that is drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means graph. Is called the x-axis. Is called as x-axis. Solution is called as x-axis. Next condition, the vertical line that is drawn to determine the position any point in the Cartesian plane is called as what represent y-axis. So what is the name of horizontal line? The horizontal line is called x-axis. The vertical line is called y-axis. And that's it. Right down. Second question. What is the name of each part of the plan? Each part of the plane. Each part of the formed by these two lines. So please observe, this is called the y-axis. Okay, this is called the y-axis. This is called x-axis. Simply, this is called x-axis. So what is the name of each part of the plan? First part is called first coordinate. So quadrant 1. What is the position of points? X-axis will take positive numbers. Y-axis also take positive numbers. Next, quadrant 2. The position of points, x-axis value negative number, y-axis points values positive numbers. Quadrant 3. So x-axis values negative numbers, y-axis also negative numbers. Quadrant 4. X-axis value positive, y-axis value negative, plus comma minus. Okay na? So next, the last one. What is the name of the point whose these two lines are intersect? So the name, right? The name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines formed by which lines ma? X-axis and y-axis. Formed by x-axis and y-axis is called as quadrant. As quadrant. Okay, the name of quadrants means quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Okay na? Last problem, write down. Okay na? Third question, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Two lines intersect. So please observe ma. X-axis and y-axis are intersect at point O. That means origin point. 0, 0 point. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, right now. The point, comma, where the x-axis and the y-axis intersect is called as origin. As origin. That is called O. Okay na? This is the three problems are over. Okay, write down.